Yeah, go ahead.
Let her rip, Tater Chip.
Okay, made a few alterations on this cheap extractor. A friend of mine put this page wire on here, which is pretty brilliant, so you don't blow out your combs. The gears are cheap metal, so we welded a nut on there. I got me a socket and a breaker bar ratchet, so I don't have to worry about breaking my nut off or breaking my drill. And then as I get her going, I could pull it off. Low gear is probably preferred. And then I don't have to wait if it's getting too lopsided. I can stick it back on in mid-flight. Well, I'm wrong there. I must have had that the wrong way. Yeah, you will break your drill if you ain't careful.
Probably your wrist too.
I would suggest using a low gear so it doesn't go that fast. But the page wire is definitely one of the most essential parts of not blowing out your combs. Then this might be a beekeeping on the cheap. Yeah, it's Chinese made. That speaks for itself.
I think that's an outstanding idea.
Yeah, that whole cranking and cranking and cranking. Yeah, no, my shoulder ain't gonna handle it. Maybe this ratchet ain't as good as I thought it was. You might need a high quality drill.
Not a Walmart special.
Yeah, I think this was like 14 bucks on Amazon. Yeah, the first time I didn't have that on there, my battery died and it broke the nut off and threw my drill about 12 feet across the living room. Yeah, it wasn't a good idea.
Ah. Well, anything else they need to know?
I don't think there is.
No. There you go, folks. Thanks for watching Willie Bees.